Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's near and dear to many of us, bread savings. Bread savings is a popular investment strategy in Nigeria, and it's one that I've been using for many years now. But is it really as trustworthy as it seems? In this video, I'm going to share my personal experience with bread savings, and I'll also provide you with some tips on how to make the most of this investment strategy. What is bread savings? Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what bread savings is. Bread savings is a type of investment where you buy bread in bulk and then sell it at a higher price later on. This is a popular strategy in Nigeria because bread is a staple food that is always in demand. There are a few different ways to invest in bread savings. You can either buy bread directly from the bakery or you can buy it from a wholesaler. My personal experience with bread savings. I've been investing in bread savings for over 10 years now. I started out by buying bread from the bakery and selling it to my friends and family. Over time, I've built up a network of customers and I now sell bread to businesses and schools. I've had a lot of success with bread savings. I've been able to make a good profit on my investments, and I've also been able to help my customers save money on their groceries. The benefits of bread savings. There are a number of benefits to investing in bread savings. Here are a few of the most important. Low risk. Bread is a staple food that is always in demand. This means that your investment is relatively low risk. High returns. You can make a good profit on your bread investments, especially if you buy bread in bulk and sell it at a higher price. Flexibility. You can invest as much or as little money as you want in bread savings. Tax-free. Bread savings is a tax-free investment. The risks of bread savings. There are also some risks associated with investing in bread savings. Here are a few of the most important. Price fluctuations. The price of bread can fluctuate from time to time. This means that you could lose money on your investment if the price of bread falls. Storage costs. If you buy bread in bulk, you will need to find a place to store it. This can be expensive. Competition. There are a number of other people who are investing in bread savings. This means that you will need to be competitive in order to make a profit. Tips for making the most of bread savings. If you're considering investing in bread savings, here are a few tips to help you make the most of your investment. Do your research. Before you start investing in bread savings, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Buy bread in bulk. Buying bread in bulk will help you get a better price. Find a reliable supplier. It's important to find a reliable supplier who can provide you with high-quality bread at a good price. Build a network of customers. Once you start selling bread, it's important to build a network of customers. This will help you increase your sales. Market your business. Don't be afraid to market your business. Let your friends, family, and neighbors know that you're selling bread. Be patient. It takes time to build a successful bread savings business. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Bread savings is a great way to make money and save money on your groceries. However, it's important to be aware of the risks involved before you start investing. If you do your research and follow the tips in this video, you can have a successful experience with bread savings. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn more about bread savings. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance and investing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.